USDA has approved new names for some of the most common pork cuts, which should make it easier for consumers in the grocery store. The pork industry worked with USDA to change the names to match other proteins in the meat case, primarily beef.
And that's quite a process to do that. It's been working on that for 2 to 3 years to get these cuts renamed to what consumers can recognize.
He says the names will change for whole muscle cuts.
I think we've got about 6 cuts that are going to be renamed around the chops.
Consumers will recognize the pork names from restaurant or steakhouse menus, including ribeye and New York strip.
We're going to have a porterhouse chop and some of the names that are recognized, and so maybe take a little bit of confusion away and get consumers to recognize what some of our cuts are.
And the goal with this is to increase pork demand.
We're trying to get consumers to use pork wherever they use any other protein source.
And that benefits pork producers as well as the soybean farmers that supply soybean meal for swine finishing diet. This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.